Hello, this is Ask Brock. I'm Brock Yorty. Today's question comes from Jason. Brock, how do I handle bloody engineers with no practical field experience? You do it with a lot of communication, documentation. That's how we handle engineers. We need to be communicating with them because that's their expectations. They're also our customer, just the same as we have that primary customer, the engineer, our hydrogeologist, our scientist, they're there helping make sure that the system is exactly what it's supposed to be when it's completed and gone. Yeah, we are subject matter experts and we have lots of practical field experience. And they have college education and engineering and science and understanding, complex specifications. So we have to be a collaboration. And that comes from good project management, good documentation, and having discussions. And, we work with the people we want to work with, right? So you have an engineering firm or a, geotech firm that you're working with, and the engineer has a crazy question or something. Instead of us going, we're not going to pull back the curtain so you can reveal the drilling wizard, we're just going to let you be in the dark and let you continue to sound weird saying, drill pieces instead of drill rod or drill steel. We can help collaborate and educate with them. And that's what it comes down to, is us sharing our knowledge, our tribal knowledge, and them sharing their engineering knowledge. Furthermore, we can be the engineer and the driller on site. It's our responsibility to understand our specifications and contract and, meet those expectations and question them. If there's something in there that's crazy and you're going, this guy's an idiot, why in the world would he get to write this? Let's have a educated discussion, multiple emails, get on a conference call, get on a video call, and let's talk about it. And if that expectation's still there, charge for it. We're there to meet the customer's expectations. And by doing that, if there's something that's wild in there, then we get to charge for it. We get to make our margins. It's not like, darn it, they just added 4 days to our job and we got to eat that. That's not how this works. So I would say collaborate, share knowledge, ask lots of questions, make sure that you're documenting, project managing, and treat them with respect. And if they're not treating you with the same respect, then it's time to have a discussion with your customer and make sure they're CC'd on those emails and we're seeing the difficulties that are happening, because 9 times out of 10, that's not the way it's going to be. Pick up Marvin's book, Art of Water Wells. Yeah, I'm going to keep plugging that all of 2020. He talks about communication and project management and all the different customers and layers of customers, from our customer to the engineer, to the hydrogeologist, to the end user and the regulators, to make sure we protect this groundwater. They're all there for a reason. So sure, somebody can be difficult, but communication is the best way to fix that. We got to default to trust. We can't just assume that, they put this in there and they must not know what they're talking about. Let's find out why they put it in there. Did it come from a spec from a previous job that doesn't make sense? Or is it something that they had to put in from the last contractor that stepped in? I worked a project in Chicago where we couldn't have any fluids on the ground. We couldn't have any waste. So we ended up matting the entire site, and it cost more, but we billed for it, for the mob in and the demob, and it worked out well. So engineers are our customers, and we got to work with them, and share our knowledge. And sometimes it's okay for us to pull that curtain back and show them exactly what's going on so that we can have the best educated discussion. Stay safe out there. Thanks, everyone.